If you're a woman over 40 and you've heard of affiliate marketing, but it sounds scammy, confusing, or like it's only for 20-something-year-olds, this video is for you. You don't need a mega website, a huge following, or even tech skills. You just need a clear niche, a few products you already use, and a simple way to share them with no pressure. In today's video, I'm breaking down how to start affiliate income from zero as a grown, tired, quietly ambitious woman who wants extra money without doing the most or wearing an influencer's mask. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Jess, and this is Living Curvy, where we talk about building multiple streams of income, starting over in our late 30s, and rebuilding our confidence and identity as curvy women. You may be saying by now, Jess, what is affiliate marketing income without the hype? And all it is you promoting a product or a service and getting a small commission from that brand for it. Essentially, you're doing free marketing for the brand and they're giving you a small commission for that. Think about it. You're essentially already recommending products and services to your friends and family. From your skincare routine to what shapewear you're wearing, you know all of the things. Just now, the recommendations that you're giving out, you're getting coins on the back end. You're not tricking anyone. You're simply saying, I use this. Here's why I like it. And here's my link if you'd like to try it out too. I always say, think about the problem that product solves for you. Then tell why you got that product and where you got that product from. Do a simple demonstration on how you use that product if you're doing a video. Then offer your unique link. If someone has the same exact problem as you have or want to try your recommendation, you'll then earn a commission from that brand from simply promoting their products. So how do you get started? Choose a lane. Affiliate marketing works best if you choose one lane and then broaden out. Ask yourself, what do people come to me for automatically already? Is it budgeting, fashion, home goods, organization, or money advice? Pick 1 to 2 themes that fit your real life. That is your affiliate niche. Step 2, join beginner-friendly programs like Amazon Associates, Bendable, or Magic Links. Recommend these 3 platforms because they allow you to recommend multitude of products without you having to apply to the brand individually. When doing brand direct affiliate programs, they like to comb through your socials to make sure that you have an audience. And since you're just starting out with Amazon Associates, Magic Links, and Bendable, they've already partnered with a multitude of brands, allowing you to promote products freely. Moving us into step number 3, sharing your recommendations in a simple, honest way. You do not need a website to begin. You can share your affiliate links through a YouTube channel or even your Instagram page. Think hauls, routines, or I use this over that type of content. Pro tip, always add to your description or your caption a disclosure such as this. And some links included in this caption are affiliate links, which means I earn a small commission at no cost to you. This is an FTC regulation in law and a must do if you're adding any products that you're receiving a kickback or commission. So this love bug is a non-negotiable. And you're not too late. Most women don't even hear about affiliate marketing until they hit their 30s, 40s, or even 50s. Start tiny. Aim for making your first $10, then $50, then $100. With affiliate marketing, it'll compound over time and is still one more income stream than you had before. Just remember to lead with honesty. And recommend products that you truly use. Embed this inside of content that's already valuable on its own, and the money will become a natural side effect. And if you want a part 2 where I walk you through specific programs I joined as a beginner or what I'm currently using, comment affiliate below. I'll create that video for you. And if you're interested in Bendable, check out the Bendable series that I have on my channel already. I'll link it down in the description. Lastly, if you're a woman over 35 rebuilding your life, your money, and your confidence, go ahead and hit subscribe and stay close. On Living Curvy, we're building multiple streams of income, redefining ourselves in our late 30s, and chasing peace over pressure in our own unique way, unapologetically. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, love you, bye.